In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make typed out text in OBS Studio. We're creating that classic typewriter effect directly inside OBS so your text appears character by character on screen. You won't need any external video editor, just a text source and a powerful filter from the Move Transition plugin. Start by opening OBS Studio. Head to the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon and choose Text, GDI+. This creates the text layer you'll animate. In the text window that opens, type exactly what you want to display. While you're here, customize the look so it fits your scene. Pick your font, size, and color. A clean, highly legible font works best for the type-on effect. If you prefer a uniform mechanical feel, a monospaced font can look great, but any readable font will work fine. When you're happy, click OK to add it to your scene. Resize and position the text where you want it to appear. Before animating, make sure the Move Transition plugin is installed in your OBS setup. This is important because the effect we're using comes from that plugin. You'll know it's ready if you can add a Move Value filter in the next step. Right-click your text source in the Sources panel and select Filters. In the Filters window, look under Effect Filters and click the plus icon. Choose Move Value from the list. If you see Move Value, you're good to go. Now let's configure the typing. In the Move Value settings, find the setting dropdown and select text. This tells OBS that the value you're animating is the actual text content of the source. Next, find the Move Value Type option and set it to typing. This switches the animation mode so the string is revealed one character at a time, just like a real typewriter. Set the duration to control how long it takes for the full line to type out. A shorter duration means faster typing, while a longer duration feels more deliberate. Think about the tone you want, brisk for fast-paced content or slower for emphasis and readability. Finally, check the enabled box to start the typing animation. As soon as it's enabled, the text will begin animating according to your settings. If you need to see it again, simply toggle enabled off and back on to re-trigger the effect. That's it. You've added a clean, customizable type-on animation in OBS. Adjust font size, color, and duration until the timing and look match your scene, and you're ready to roll this effect into your streams, tutorials, or overlays.